Being able to take gear along when you're out snowmobiling, it's really important, and each manufacturer has their own design style and setup for attaching to their snowmobile. But the aftermarket, they haven't been asleep either. And Kimpex with their Connect system seems to be at the forefront of the aftermarket push with easy to install, easy to connect, and very smart solutions for traveling with extra gear as well as extra fuel. Now the Connect system has been designed to work on all brands with an easy to install base plate for mounting. However, for this season, there's a very cool offering for those of you riding Skidoo sleds. And that is the new Skidoo Connect mounting rail. Now, while this does look like a pretty simple piece of extruded aluminum, it's a whole lot more than that. This mounting base allows the use of not just Kimpex Connect accessories, but also installation of your factory Skidoo Link mounts. So if you have some of both, you can now ride with all of them. And seeing as both brands offer quite a wide array of products, many of which are unique to each, this is a great way to maximize your storage possibilities and to get the best of both worlds while not sacrificing the factory link attachment points your sled may have come equipped with. Now, if you want to take the best of both worlds talk to new heights quite literally, let's talk about the Kimpex Connect stacking kit, which allows you to take more along for the ride in a smaller space. With the Kimpex Connect gas tank mounted at the bottom, the Connect stacking mount allows you to attach another Connect accessory on top of that gas tank for even greater versatility and packing power. Maybe you have two gas tanks for those ultra remote rides, or you're carrying a bit extra for the other sleds in your group. Now you don't have to be limited to just those fuel storage solutions, but can stack them up and bring along all kinds of extra gear. Now, if you only bought one set of Connect base mounts for your tunnel, this can really come in handy because you've only got one space to use. Now, it's also a lifesaver if your manufacturer doesn't offer an accessory fuel tank. Instead of trying to retrofit other brands' mounts to your ride, Kimpex has done the hard work and allows you to connect any of their accessories in a wide combination of ways, with one Connect on short tracks and two on the bigger length sleds. And then go double high should you want to. Because the mounts are all the same, you can also drop your fuel at a play destination for all of your off-trail rides, and then reconnect your storage bag so you're not carrying the extra weight when playing off-trail. Now, maybe bringing along extra fuel isn't really your top of need concern, but having enough gear for an overnight stay or even a weekend is something that you're more interested in. While there are options for smaller day trip or lighter gear bags, the 46-liter Explorer tunnel bag is an absolute beast for big-time storage. Offering multi-purpose storage possibilities and the ease of carrying handles for heading into the hotel or cabin at night, this bag has got you covered. Featuring a dry sack style 100% waterproof inner bag with roll buckle closure and Velcro, as well as 6 sturdy compression buckles to keep the top EVA semi-rigid cover in place, this bag is not just functional, it's very sturdy and ready to take some abuse. Now, it is good to keep in mind that larger bags like this Explorer tunnel bag do take 2 sets of base mounts on your tunnel, but there's a whole lot of options when it comes to either single or double mounts from Kimpex with Connect. No matter what you want to take along, fuel, tools, or extra gear, they've got you covered in a wide variety of variations that's going to make your next trip that much more enjoyable.